Hello everyone, welcome to this TTDEYE Trinity collection review. So I have all three colors in this pretty recent TTDEYE edition, and oh my goodness, wow, I have tried the Trinity Brown so far and I am loving the pattern of these lenses. So Trinity, I'm assuming, means three-toned. So there is a three-tone theme going on. So for this brown lens, it starts off with a gorgeous orange-brown inner pupil hole ring. The pupil hole on these lenses is blend. However, I do want to mention that the center is not too bright, so you don't see as much of a contrast. So not as much bug eye effect as you would think. They blend really, really well with my medium brown eyes. And if you have very dark brown eyes, there is going to be seamless blending. They're going to look very realistic if you have very dark brown eyes. So it's that gorgeous, rich, orange toned brown in the center. And then it fades out into a kind of yellowish brown with amber yellow flecks to accent this color. And then on the outside is a medium brown soft limbo ring. These lenses are enlarging. They're going to make your eyes look larger and rounder. I absolutely adore the pattern of this collection. It is so well done. The opacity, the color gradient, the color mixing, and they do an amazing job of combining all three tones of brown in this lens. It's a beautiful color combination. I see a little bit of striations going on. I see flecks, but again, it's all very subtle. From a normal distance, you're not gonna see crazy patterns. It's gonna just look very blended, very seamless. Very, very beautiful pair of amber brown lenses. If you love the amber brown from TTDEYE or any other color that has an orange undertone, brown hazel color, you will absolutely love this Trinity Brown. Hello everyone, so here is the Trinity Green. So I would say that the three colors in this lens are kind of like orange in the center to help again with the blending of the pupil hole. Then it fades out into a cool tone green with some lighter green kind of streaks for the patterning. And then on the outside, it actually looks more of a gray green, which I personally have never seen this color combination in any lens I've ever tried. So very, very unique color combination. Overall, it is really pretty, all these three colors put together. You'll notice that these lenses have a very, very subtle, thin limbo ring. On the green, it looks to be a kind of medium brown limbo ring to subtly define your eyes. Again, these lenses look very enlarging. I would say that these lenses look very natural. They're not super bright. They're not too overpowering. So I think you can slip these in and nobody would really think twice just because the color isn't too bright and it looks fairly natural, and a lot of people have this tone of green eyes. Really, really pretty color combination. Do keep in mind that if your eyes are very dark brown, they are going to appear darker green on you. And these lenses will go really, really well with cooler skin tones. Hello everyone, so I saved the best for last, Trinity Gray. Oh my goodness. This is such a stunning, gorgeous blue color. It's so beautiful. In my opinion, it leans more towards the blue than the gray, but it does have gray undertone. So beautiful. These lenses remind me so much of real blue eyes because they're so multidimensional. The way they played with the opacity and the color gradient and patterning of these lenses. So when you look at someone with real blue eyes, their blue eyes look multi-dimensional and multi-layered. If you really come in close, you can see patterns, you can see depth, you can see different color gradients. And TTDEYE really did a fantastic job of replicating a real blue-gray eye, because when you look at the lenses, they almost look see-through, kind of multi-dimensional, very realistic. So beautiful. I love the three-toned color combination they chose. In the center, it's that brown orangey color, again, to help with the blending of the pupil hole. Then it fades out into this beautiful, beautiful deep blue color. It's so beautiful. I love this color. It reminds me of mountain glaciers or something. It's just one of those blues that you can stare at and stare at and stare at. Someone with blue eyes this color, it's the kind of person where you're like, I can stare into your eyes forever. It's that color. And then it ends off with a really, really well done kind of mid blue to dark blue limbal ring, again to subtly define and enlarge the eyes. Beautiful pair of blue-gray lenses, one of TTDEYE's best, if I must say. I would highly recommend checking out a different review from someone with very dark brown eyes so you can see how different these lenses would look if you have very dark brown eyes versus my medium brown eyes, because I think the color would appear different. Before you go ahead and purchase, just do your research with different shades of brown. These are going to look great on cool skin tones again. However, I still think I can pull these off despite the fact that I have a warmer skin tone. I wish there were more blue lenses that had this color because it's a really pretty blue color. So right now these lenses are on sale for $29 US per prescription pair. If you use my discount code LARASCOTCH with a Z, you can probably get them down to around $25-ish US per prescription pair. And do keep in mind, TTDEYE lenses last a year, so that is fantastic value. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Trinity review. If you want me to review any other lens collections from TTDEYE or any other company, drop a request down in the comments below. What are your favorites from this line? Mine, I think I gotta say it's the gray. Surprisingly, I usually like more warm tone lenses, but they just did an amazing job with this blue-gray lens. Let me know which was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!